Okay, so we got a nice short setup here in this stock. So we jumped in short already. I was late getting the video up and running so that I can record it. But yeah, so we're in here, had a gap up and it started fading. The algorithm had switched, telling me to get in. It was also gave me confirmation and permission, and the volume agreed with what I wanted to do. So I went ahead and jumped in this thing short. So yeah, we'll see if this thing keeps on going down, fills the gap, or maybe does a little more than half a gap fill, or whatever. Either way, hopefully we get our first target, and we can get out with profit. All right, you can see here where it moved at least about 90% of the way to the target. So and it's starting to pull back here. So put my stop in for break even. I'm actually just going to mark it out of this thing and take $5 profit. Yeah. So okay, so we're out. We're out with $5 profit, and yeah. So we'll move on and see if another setup happens with this stock, or we get a different trade. Okay, so this trade set back up for us. So we jump back into it. So yeah, definitely if I would have just hung out, I could have made some money, but you never know. That's why you get out and preserve your capital so you can get back in. So here we are. So we're back in and got our entry, our target, our stop. Algorithms gave us the opportunity to do it again. So we're going to do it again and we'll see where it goes. On top of that, though, there's a look at this base here that this thing has made, this support level. It's kind of a sketchy space to get back in, but algorithm's saying to get in, so we're getting in. And once it breaks this thing should really fly. But there's a decent support level building here, and we got a channel, so this could just bounce back and forth. And my algorithm is telling me to get out before the top of this channel. So yeah, so we'll see where this goes. Okay, so we're starting to break down below this consolidation level that the stock has been going through here. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop. I'm prepared to move my stop anyway for a low of 55.52 is the next target. And my high to my first target, 55.97. So once we get a little closer, I'll go ahead and cancel this order if I have the opportunity, and then I'll put a new order as soon as it crosses my first target. I will come back in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm trading this stock with my algorithm and my simple switch strategy, which uses the algorithm, which you can learn more about over at 2020daytrader.com if you'd like to get that algorithm or learn more about it. But for those technical traders out there that are mostly trading off of charts and stuff, there's some other things this has going for it. We have a nice downtrend right here. It's following this trend line a bit. Right on down, boom, 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 boom. And then we also had this little bit of a support level right here on this line. So as we got to the end of our triangle, we've broken that now. So this is normal. It'll break, maybe even go down another candle. It might come back, retest this, and then carry on down. So we do have this nice trend line. Hopefully it'll continue on that trend line and we can get to our first target at least and take profit. Okay, so here we are. So it's breaking through our target right now. So 95. I canceled my order up here. That's what I get for talking. That's okay. We'll let it drop again. As soon as it goes back through, I'm going to go ahead and hit buy to recover my short. And just as expected, it came down, went back up, retested this what was support, and it retested it. It proved to be resistance. And now we're breaking back down through here. And I'm going to go and put my stop in when this moves back below 97, 55.97 on the ask, because I'm getting out on the ask since I'm shorting it. 96, 95. I'm going to give it a little play here and see if it wants to break lower. And then put my stop in. We got 2 minutes left in this candle. We'll see. Looking at the size of this candle compared to the other ones, I might just put my stop in because it hasn't been making that many big candles. This one was a big candle, but these are average to big size candles for what's been going on today. So, and then if I miss this exit, like I may have, okay, so CME Group always tells you, reminds you, hey, it's getting close to the end of the day. Make sure you're out of your stocks by a certain time. All right, so 97, come on. And if I miss the exit, I'll just I'll just put my stop in a penny above whatever it is when this candle closes. There we go. Be out by. All right, cool. All right, so now we're back below 98, 96. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just hit buy here. 95. All right, so now I got my stop in. So if it backs up to 97, like it just did, we should be out. Unless I get rejected again. 55.97, 55.95. So I could be in a queue as well. So that could be a reason why I didn't sell. I didn't get to my order, which is perfectly fine right now because it's still going down. Down, down, down. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to start preparing my next order. And then if it backs up, it backs up. But low range, 55.06. And then my stop will be 55.52. I like to have my range orders in just in case my computer goes down or something weird happens. Then they're realistic targets. You know, if I just left it wide open, then there's a good chance that I'll hit these targets and then go back and then I'll be out up here. So keep my range tight and going with the targets. All right, so it's backing up here. Let's see if we get out. 55. This will give us a green day though. That'll be nice. Went from a $2 red day to a green day, provided we don't mess this order up. All right, 97 again. 98. Okay, yeah, we're out. Okay, cool. So I don't know. Did we just get out? Yeah. All right, so yeah, $32. So that's awesome. So we're able to come back from a $2 red day to a $32 green day. Slowly start growing this account back up, and see if we can cross the $2,500 mark before the end of April. That would be amazing. So anyway, so there you go. Simple switch strategy at work, as well as some technical indicators that you can see with the downtrend line here, and then it came back with the support, broke that support, started to drop off, came back, tested it, proved to be resistance, kind of went over along the downtrend line and carried on downward. So, but I was trading this based off the algorithm, and then that was a nice little bonus to kind of confirm what the algorithm was telling me. And as I said earlier, you know, algorithm's telling me to get in. We're on a support level here, but algorithm's telling me to get in. It's going to break. So I did it, and sure enough, it was correct as it is on this stock. It's usually correct about 90% of the time. So it's a pretty nice trade with this particular stock. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.